Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm going to do another review of a Veto tool bag review for the hose haulers on this. With the new spring promotion, I ended up picking this as my tier 2 bag in order to get the free tool bag, which you guys should check out that video as well. I'm going to be showing you guys the differences between the older hose hauler and the new one as well. And I think it's definitely worth it. I'll just show you guys how I have this hose hauler set up. This is actually my vacuum kit since I do HVAC, so I can pull a vacuum on air conditioners. So in this front pouch here, I just use for extra tools that I may need, like this gauge, Schrader cord removal tool, reverse adapter for the new refrigerant, and a right angle adapter as well. So just kind of some miscellaneous in there, and there's so much room in there, I could honestly fit a lot more in there. So if we open this bad boy up, what I always liked about this is that it had a Velcro pouch in the middle so that this could be removable. I personally like to fit my micron gauge in there, and usually I don't keep my Schrader cord removal tools, my yellow jacket ones that are vacuum rated in there. When you get busy on a job, you just kind of throw stuff wherever. And of course, it's a hose hauler, so it fits hoses just perfectly. And then in this big pouch here, this is where I have the rest of my setup in there as well, which I can dive more deeply in another video for you guys. Now with this new one, I'll just start with the exterior differences as well. Obviously, the biggest giveaway is that it's a blackout edition, which looks really beautiful on this bag. And one of the first things I actually noticed about it was this hook, which is really nice to hang it in my van so that I don't have to wear down the handle. Standing them side by side, I would say that they're probably the exact same size. I'll pop up the dimensions on the screen just to double check. That goes for the height, depth, and width as well. One of the coolest features about this bag, which was probably the selling point as to why I wanted to buy it, is this little zipper right here. If you open it, the bag actually extends out. So if you would like to put some bulky items in here or some extra hoses and whatnot, you're not going to put all that stress onto these zippers only, which will allow the bag to last a lot longer for you as well. I think that's a really nice touch. And one of the first things you might notice is that it actually has V-swap panels, so you can change out the panels and store them in your van if you want to use this tool bag for different tasks, which I think is a really nice touch. So if we open up, again, with this big pouch here, it is removable. And I believe it's about the same size, still a good amount of space in there where I can jam all my extra tools when needed. And then the first thing I noticed is that it actually has a shoulder strap, which I think is awesome, so that it can free up a hand, especially if you're carrying your vacuum pump, your recovery machine, or anything like that. I think this is super useful. The other thing that actually sold me on this bag is these corners. Now, the other bag did have the corners, but you couldn't really jam too much in there, and I feel like things tend to slip out of them whenever I did end up using them. But these ones can be zipped up. Not only they zip, but they're actually removable as well. So that if you do end up needing more space in here, you can actually just take these out completely. One thing that I noticed that a lot of people don't catch is that on this zipper side, there's actually 2 sets of zippers so that you don't always have to access it from the top. You can actually access it from the bottom as well, depending on how your bag is actually set. If you're having a 90-degree angle or if you're laying it flat, you might have a preference of how you want to access your tools in there. So let's transfer everything over into here. My hoses still fit nicely even with these corner pouches in place. Let's get the micron gauge in here safe and sound. And let's put away our Schrader cord removal tools where they actually belong. And let's put our tower away. And in this angle, I'm actually going to utilize the bottom. I always like that the middle piece is Velcro so that you're not limited to having 2 sides. You can actually have it just be one big pocket, which I think is a nice touch. The inside is done. Of course, I can always fit a lot more in there if I need to. This front pocket here, I would say is pretty much about the same style as the other one. Of course, let's get the shoulder strap on there. Voila. Now we're ready to go to work. I almost forgot. Thanks a lot for watching this Veto tool bag review video. Let me know down in the comments which hose hauler you guys prefer and what other uses do you guys have for them. As usual, I'll see you guys on the next call.